Hello everyone, I'm Elena Shrestha. Welcome to this demo video on the ER diagram and SQL queries. Today I'll walk you through the entity relationship ER diagram for my database system and demonstrate how to execute some simple SQL queries. So let's get started. So here is my ER diagram. It first have text operator receive calls from caller, then have caller log into the problem. If there is a problem, then have the operator take note from the problem, and have text operator refer the problem. If there is difficult, then it's referred to the specialist, then specialist look up the problem, and have the operator access the equipment to check the what kind of equipment it or what kind of system software that is made up of. So Haptex operator had attributes like operator number, email, name, ID, time, caller time, operator address. Likewise, the equipment has equipment ID, software expiry, software license, purchase date, equipment type, purchase price. So equipment and Haptex operator has one-to-many relationship. And the next one is Haptex operator and caller. Haptex operator and caller has many-to-many relationship, as many Haptex operator can receive many callers. So the callers have attributes like caller ID, caller name, department, job titles, and then login, caller login, and then problem. And between caller and problem there is one-to-many relationship. Problem attribute like problem type, problem ending time, starting time, duration, resolve way, problem ID, region, and in between the problem and have the operator there is one-to-one relationship, as one have the operator will take note of the one problem at a time, and then have the operator and specialists have one-to-many relationship. Specialists have attributes like problem specific working on, specific type, specific ID, specific name, and in between specific type is categorized into general type or a specific type. So that is the ER diagram for my database assignment. So let's get into SQL. So according to the database, I have according to the ER diagram, I have made this database program. So let's see. So I have created a database for operator database for my assignments. I have used that database, and I have created a table command ID in primary key identity 101. So 100, it means like it is starting from the 100, but command ID and starting with the difference of 100, like for example 101, 102, 103, likewise that is on increasing term. Command type is varchar, that's length is 50, percentage is obviously date, percentage price is decimal, and sometimes it can be about in decimal also. So software license is varchar, software expiry is date. So I have inserted values over here. So let's see if this works or not. So I can select it from here, like select customer comment, so that I can know that what did the value that I put over here can be shown or not. So let's see. Let's wait. So as I already mentioned, there is equipment ID starting from 100, likewise there's 101, 102, and the equipment type is laptop. I have written the purchase date, purchase price decimal, and software license and software expiry date. So then I have created a table for Haptex operator ID. In primary key identity, I have created it starting with the 1111, and after increment 1, like it's a 1112, it will be like that. Operator name is varchar, obviously 100. Operator email is varchar, that is obviously and then emails will be unique. Operator name is varchar, address is also varchar, caller time, date and time. So we shall get the date and time of the caller. Equipment ID is it, and here the difference between the Haptex operator and equipment is that here in Haptex operator I have a foreign key known as equipment ID over here, which I don't have an in the equipment ID. So I have inserted the value over here. I have only inserted 3 values. Let's see if that works or not. So let's run some query. Let's see if the data that I have inserted is over there can be seen on a cell asterisk from the help. So Haptex operator, So let's run this query and let's see what value has been it can give us. So as I mentioned, there is starting is operator ID starting from 1111 and then 1112 and 1113. Operator name is Jenny Darshan Swami and operator emails is operator number, operator address, caller time, date and time, and equipment ID, which is foreign key. So likewise, I have created table for caller, that is caller ID, primary key identity that is starting from 1201, caller name not null, department job title, and the problem is primary key identity 542 1, problem type Barker, problem starting time, date time, default gate time. We need to get the date time of that problem starting time, ending time, and also date time same, but problem duration can be get by using the date difference between problem starting time, problem ending time in minute, problem reserve by Barker, reason text, operator ID and caller ID are foreign key over here. So I have two foreign key here. So I also can see like problem tables from here, the value that I have inserted over here. As you can see, there are lots the value, and likewise I have created a special list and receive tables and lookup tables. So if I want to get some like, if I want to run queries like caller department start name outer zone, let's run this query and let's see what happens. So it shows me the caller name and department and problem time, problem starting time that related to the caller and problem relationship over here. So let's try to insert the data which is wrong. Let me just say like this is not incorrect data type. So what it shows, for example, like here I can see that process date is date, but I have returned x5 there. So let's see incorrect syntax at the keyboard into. So let's see again what is shows that enter converting data type Barker to numeric, since it has actually is a Barker and I have written a date which is obviously numeric, so it shows me so data validation path. So here is the wrap up for my demo, and so thank you for watching